Welcome to City Quiz channel. Are you preparing for the MDCAT entry test? You're in the right place. Our channel is your ultimate resource for acing the MDCAT exam. We've already uploaded 2 helpful videos, and now we're thrilled to present our 3rd video focusing on the English section. In this video, you'll find carefully designed quizzes to test and enhance your English skills for the MDCAT. These quizzes will help you understand where you stand and what areas need improvement, giving you the edge you need to excel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Watching the full video will provide you with the maximum benefit, so make sure you stick around until the end. Don't miss out on any of our valuable content. Subscribe now, watch the full video, and join us on this journey to MDCAT success. Together, we can achieve your dream of becoming a top doctor. Let's get started and ace the MDCAT together. And start our quiz.
Question number 61. A common sense of failure is a mistaken ambition of the boys on the part of his parents. Option A. A common sense of failure. Option B is a mistaken ambition. Option C of the boys. Option D on the part of his parents.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 62. Sagacity. Option A. Foolishness. Option B. Large city. Option C. Onions. Option D. Wisdom.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 63. The police in their investigation used coercive measure to get favorable statement from the accused. Option A. The police in their investigation. Option B. Used coercive measure. Option C. To get favorable statement. Option D. From the accused.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 64. Grim. Option A. Gratis. Option B. Restless. Option C. Severe. Option D. Greater.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 65. I am forward to our picnic scheduled in next month. Option A. Looking. Option B. Planning. Option C. Seeing. Option D. Going.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 66. The study of population growth indicates one of the greatest paradoxes of our time. Option A. The study. Option B. Population growth. Option C. One of the option D. Paradox.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 67. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word connoisseur. Option A. Guide. Option B. Artist. Option C. Expert critic of art. Option D. Teacher.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 68. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Tourism is burgeoned over the last 15 years. Option B. Tourism will burgeoned over the last 15 years. Option C. Tourism have burgeoned over the last 15 years. Option D. Tourism has burgeoned over the last 15 years.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 69. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. He made me to write the sum on the slip and to sign my name in a book. Option B. He made me write the sum at the slip and to sign my name in a book. Option C. He made me to write the sum on the slip and sign my name in a book. Option D. He made me to write the sum in a slip and to sign my name in a book.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 70. What is meant by birth rate and death rate and how do they affect the population? Option A. What is meant by birth rate? Option B. And death rate? Option C. And how do? Option D. And how do?
Correct answer is D.
Question number 71. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word empathy. Option A. Understanding. Option B. Animosity. Option C. Friendship. Option D. Sympathy.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 72. His guests found it fun to watch him to make tea, mixing careful spoonful from different caddies. Option A. His guests found it fun. Option B. To watch him to make tea. Option C. Mixing careful spoonful. Option D. From different caddies.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 73. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Something had happened, something whose ultimate significance had yet was reckoned. Option B. Something had happened, something whose ultimate significance had yet to be reckoned. Option C. Something had happened, something whose ultimate significance had yet to be reckoned. Option D. Something had happened, something whose ultimate significance had yet reckoned.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 74. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word motif. Option A. Tough. Option B. Motion. Option C. Stuff. Option D. Design.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 75. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word empathy. Option A. Fictitious. Option B. Facility. Option C. Ability. Option D. Felicity.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 76. When a low-wage category worker finds he has to maintain a large family, his expenses may exceed his income. Option A. When a low-wage. Option B. Worker finds. Option C. Maintain a large family. Option D. Exceeds his income.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 77. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word rakish. Option A. Curved. Option B. Traditional. Option C. Formal. Option D. Dashing.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 78. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one and fill the circle corresponding to that letter in the MCQ response form. Option A. When the fact failed him, he questions his senses. Option B. When the fact failed him, he questioned from his senses. Option C. When the fact fails him, he questions his senses. Option D. He will question his senses when the fact will fail him.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 79. The police report exonerated Anwar of all charges of corruption and job was also restored. Option A. Police report. Option B. Exonerated. Option C. Corruption. Option D. Job was.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 80. The Kraft statesman manipulated the situation by making false promises and declaring sport festivities as a to fool the public. Option A. Red herring. Option B. Red herring. Option C. Red feather. Option D. Red herring.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 81. Indolently. Option A. Lazily. Option B. Indecently. Option C. Ideally. Option D. Gaily.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 82. The patient's blood analysis shows that there is a big number of amorphous cells which are quiet, unidentifiable. Option A. The patient's blood analysis shows, option B, that there is a big number of, option C, amorphous cells which are quiet, option D, unidentifiable.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 82. The patient's blood analysis shows that there is a big number of amorphous cells which are quiet, unidentifiable. Option A. The patient's blood analysis shows, option B, that there is a big number of, option C, amorphous cells which are quiet, option D, unidentifiable.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 84. While going up the hills by bus, she felt inside. Option A, fishy. Option B, queasy. Option C, itchy. Option D, squeezy.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 84. While going up the hills by bus, she felt inside. Option A, fishy. Option B, queasy. Option C, itchy. Option D, squeezy.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 86. Indolence gives vent to disposition in human life. Option A, static. Option B. Energetic, option C. Enthusiastic, option D. Filthy.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 87. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. His addled brain refused to think clearly and solve the problem. Option B. His addled brain refused to think clearly and solve the problem. Option C. His addled brain refused to think clearly and solve the problem. Option D. His addled brain refused to think clearly and solve the problem.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 88. The presence of armed guards us from doing anything disruptive. Option A. Defeated. Option B. Excited. Option C. Irritated. Option D. Prevented.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 89. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Virulent. Option A. Progressive. Option B. Harmful. Option C. Healthy. Option D. Positive.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 90. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Magnum. Option A. Masterpiece. Option B. Magnanimity. Option C. Modest. Option D. Magnetic.
Correct answer is A.